the 8th of February 2018, this nation woke up to the news of the kidnap of one of its young, beautiful and enterprising female adults at the prime age of only 28 years. What followed was a roller coaster experience. Indeed, the convicts planned and executed two of the most serious offenses of kidnap with intent to procure ransom and murder, which both attract the maximum sentence of death. This court also notes that the kidnappers, the convicts, target the female, and so it is important to send a sentence that shall deter anyone from targeting women. I find that A4 and A9 play one of the most excruciating roles in this case. And so I shall surely give them the maximum sentence of death. And I do therefore sentence the two, A4 and A9, to death. While the rest of the convicts, A7 and A8, are hereby sentenced to imprisonment for the rest of their natural lives.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.